Hello everybody, welcome to conditional sentence or if clause. A conditional sentence expresses the idea that the action in the main clause or the result clause can only happen when a certain condition or the clause that begins with if is fulfilled. The if clause states the condition and the main clause states the result. As we have observed from definition of conditional sentence, every conditional sentence composed of two clauses, which are if clause and main clause. Egaa conditional sentensiin kun caasaa seerluga afaan Oromoo keessatti hanga ammaatti hin jiranii garuu himoota haalawaa jechuu ni dandeenya jechuudha. Afaan Ingiliffaa keessatti himoonni haalawaan kun kan isaan ibsan jechuudha. Yaadni tokko main clause jalatti kan inni raawwachuu danda'u keessatti ta'uu kan danda'u yoo haaldureen jalqabaa fiixaan bahe jechuudha. Haaldureen jalqabaa kunis if clause jedhama jechuudha. If clause haala kan ibsu yoo ta'u, main clause immoo bu'aa kan argisiisu ta'a jechuudha. In English, there are 4 kinds of conditional sentence are there, including zero condition. Zero condition describes situations which are habitual action, general truths, facts, and scientific proofs. Form of zero condition: if plus present simple or if plus subject plus verb 1. Example: if you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. If plus you subject and heat, which is verb 1. Up to comma, which is if clause or a condition, and it boils is main clause or a result clause. The second condition is known as the first conditional or likely condition, or what we call probably condition. Form of probably condition: if plus present simple and will plus infinitive, or if plus subject plus verb 1 and subject plus will, or will plus infinitive or verb 1. Example: if it rains tomorrow, we will go to the cinema. Look this example carefully and identify present simple and will plus infinitive. The second conditional in English, the second conditional form or conditional type 2, which is probably condition. This is third conditional in English. If plus past simple would plus infinitive. If I had a lot of money, I would travel around the world. In English, there are 4 kinds of conditional sentence, including zero condition. Zero condition expresses facts, general truths, and scientific proofs. Form of zero condition: if plus present simple, or if plus subject plus verb 1 in if clause, and we also use present simple in main clause. Example: if you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. If you heat water to 100 degrees up to comma, which is if clause, and it boils, a result clause or main clause. The second conditional is known as first conditional or likely, or what we call probably condition, which is if plus present simple and will plus infinitive. If it rains tomorrow, we will go to the cinema. We will learn deeply and the meaning of every sentence in every condition, first conditional or likely conditional, in the next video series. Afaan Ingiliffaa keessatti himoota haalawaa yookiin conditional sentence gosa 4tu jiru. Isaanis zero conditionalii dabalatee jechuudha. Zero conditionaliin kan inni argisiisu haqa waliigalaa wanta yeroo hunda dhugaa ta'ee fi saayinsiidhaan wanta mirkanaa'e yookiin piruuf ta'e argisiisuuf nu fayyada. Foormiin isaa immoo if plus present simple if kiloos jalatti fi akkasumas immoo subject plus verb waanii fayyadamna. Kana jechuun keeziiwwan lamaan jalattuu hinnaa ammeennaa fayyadamna jechuudha. Afaan Ingiliffaa keessatti hinnaan ammeennaa immoo caasaa akkamii akka qabu ni beekta. Innis subject plus verb waan yookiin immoo matima ida'uu verbii jalqabaati jechuudha. The first conditional kan jennu kun immoo yookiin maqaan biraa maqaan isaa lammaffaa irratti kan argamu first conditional yookiin likely conditional jedhama. Innis if plus present simple fi main clause jalatti immoo infinitive kan fayyadamnu yookiin subject plus will plus verb waanidha jechuudha. Fakkeenya kana yoo ilaalu if it rains tomorrow we'll go to the cinema. Hiika isaa viidiyoo itti aanu keessatti kan ilaallu ta'a. The third one is the second conditional or conditional type to unlikely condition or improbably condition. The form of improbably condition if plus past simple and would plus infinitive, or if plus subject plus verb 2 and subject plus would plus verb 1. Example, if I had a lot of money, I would travel around the world. The third conditional or fourth one is the third conditional or conditional type 3, which is impossible condition. Most of time, which describes regression. If plus past perfect and would plus have plus past participle. That means if plus past perfect, if plus had plus verb 2 and subject plus would plus have plus verb 3. If I had gone to bed early, I would have caught the train. As keessatti second conditional kan jennu kun if plus past plus simple and would plus infinitive dha. Foormi isaa yeroo itti aanu akkasumas hiika isaanii kana lamaan yeroo itti aanu bal'inaan kan waliin ilaallu ta'a jechuudha. Amma gara zero conditionalii haala dabaru. Now let us look zero conditional. We can make a zero conditional sentence with two present simple verbs, one in the if clause and one in the main clause. If plus present simple and present simple. That means we use present simple in both clauses, under if clause and under main clause. This condition is used when the result will always happen. That I have already said a zero condition is used to describe fact, general truths and scientific proofs. Zero condition kana present simply lama fayyadamuudhaan ijaaruu dandeenya. Tokko if clause jalatti, lammataa immoo main clause jalatti fayyadamna jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf if plus present simple fi akkasumas subject plus present simple. Conditionaliin kun kan inni ibsu resultiin wanta ta'e tokko yeroo hundumaa ta'uu yoo danda'edha jechuudha. Example, if water reaches 100 degrees, it boils. This is always true everywhere in the world or on the globe. If you heat water up to 100 degrees centigrade, it starts to boil. It is a fact we are talking in general, not about one particular situation. The result of the if clause is always main clause. The if in this condition can usually be replaced by when without changing the meaning. As keessatti akka armaan olitti dubbannetti yeroo kamiyyuu riizaaltii ta'uu danda'u tokko ibsuuf nu gargaara. Fakkeenyaaf bishaan digirii seentigireedii 100 yoo ga'e ni danfa'edha. Kanaafuu lafarratti yookiin addunyaa irratti everywhere eessumattuu bishaan digirii 100 yoo ga'e danfuu eegala jechuudha. Kuni kan inni argisiisu faaktii waliigalaati. Not particular situation yookiin haala ta'e tokko qofa kanarratti kan hin hundoofne jechuudha. The result of the if clause is always the main clause kan jedhu kun bu'aan if clause yeroo kamiiyyuu main clause yookaan himayyoodha. Fakkeenyaaf if water reaches 100 degrees kan jedhu kun if clause dha. Dandeenya yookiin barreessuu dandeenya jechuudha. If you burn a paper, it changes to ash. This is also what's called general truth. This is always true. There can't be a different result sometimes. Gaafa waraqaa gubdu yeroo kamuu maal argattaa? Dhagaa yookiin bishaan yookiin cabbii yookiin waan ta'e dhangala'oo argachuu hin dandeessu. Yeroo kamuu maalidhaa? Daaraa argattaa jechuudha. Himoonni kana fakkaatan hunduu zeeroo koondishinaadhaan ibsama. If I eat peanuts, I am sick. This is particular situation. This is because it is true for me and this is not true for someone or others. This is true only for me, maybe not for everyone, but it is still true that I am sick every time I eat peanuts. Fakkeenyaaf gaafan atara nyaadhee na dhukkubsadhaa kan jedhu yoo ta'e kun nama tokkoof dhugaa ta'uu danda'a. Particular situation kan jennu sana garuu nama biraatiif immoo dhugaa ta'uu baachuu danda'a. Let us see its structure. If clause subject plus verb 1 and main clause subject plus verb 1. If you heat ice, which is subject plus verb 1, it turns to water. This is also subject plus verb 1. If you pour oil on water, it flows. Haala kanaan caasaa isaanii kana qabachuun qorumsa garaagaraa hojjechuun ni danda'ama jechuudha. Here are some more examples. If people eat too much, they get fat. This is also general truth. If people eat too much, they get fat. Fakkeenya kanarraa kan hubannu namni gaafa sirriitti nyaate yookiin gaafa qallabamee maal ta'a ni furdata. They get fat. If you touch a fire, you get burned. Ibidda gaafa harkaan qabne harkaan gubates. This is also general truth or fact. Namni harka isaa ibidda keessa gaafa kaa'e namni hin gubanne hin jiru. Qaamni namaa hunduu naachuraalii yookiin uumamaan ho'a seensi godha waan ta'eef. People die if they don't eat. You get water if you mix hydrogen and oxygen. Snakes bite if they are scared. All these sentences are zero condition. If you touch ice, it what? Food is black. Food is blanket position or dash. We use simple past tense in both clauses in zero conditional to talk something that was true in the past or to express the past habit. If he drank alcohol, he usually talked loudly. Gama lamaanuu caasaa hinnaa darbeennaa yookiin immoo nyaata siqaa fayyadamnee wanta yeroo darbe keessa past habit yookiin dhugaa ta'ee darbe tokko argisiisuudhaaf fayyadamna. Fakkeenyaaf if he drank alkoolii dhugnaan yookiin immoo dhugee gaafa ture yeroo baay'ee ni wacaa'edha. He usually talked loudly. Inni kun wantoota akkasii argisiisuu gargaara. Every conditional sentence has two parts, if clause and main clause. Now let us see these structures one by one. If clause, main clause. For zero condition, if plus subject plus verb 1 and subject plus verb 1 under main condition. Likely or probably condition, if plus subject plus verb 1 and subject plus will or shall plus verb 1. Unlikely condition or improbable condition: if plus subject plus verb 1 and would plus verb 2. Impossible condition: if plus subject plus had plus verb 3 and would plus subject would plus have plus verb 3. Exercise: people die. A, if they eaten too little. B, if they don't eat. If they eaten too little. This is grammatically wrong. B, if they don't eat. Grammatically correct. If they weren't eaten. If they doesn't eaten. This is also correct. Compare choice B and C. If they doesn't means third person singular, but people, we are talking about all people or people as a general, which is plural. So it take they don't. B is correct answer. Number 2. You dash water if you mix hydrogen and oxygen. Were good, which is wrong. Were plus verb ing, where always take verb ing, therefore it is wrong. B, will get, grammatically correct. C, get. D, getting. Both choice B and C are correct, but in our case we are talking about zero condition and get is correct answer. Will get is we use conditional sentence type sentence 2 or conditional sentence type 1, which is improbably probably condition. Snakes dash if they are dash. Bite, scare, bitten, scared. Snakes bite if they are scared. D is correct. If babies are hungry, they dash. Cry, crying, cried, were cried. Were crying. This is wrong. This is grammatically right, but the answer should be A. No, make zero conditional. For example, not rain, the flowers die. If it doesn't rain, the flowers die. What is number 1? Number 1 answer: if I wake up late, I am late for work. If I wake up late, I am late for work. Number 2, if my husband do cook, he burns the food. If my husband do cook, it burns the food. Number 3, if Julie doesn't if Julie doesn't wear if Julie doesn't wear a hat, he gets sunstruck. He gets sunstruck. He gets sunstroke. Number 4, if children don't eat well, they aren't be healthy. Number 5, if you mix water and electricity, you get shock. Complete the rest of them. First versus zero conditional. What is the difference between first and zero conditional? The first conditional describes particular situation, whereas zero conditional describes what happens in general. When we use first condition, we are talking about a particular situation. But when we use zero conditional, we are talking about general situation or what happens in a general. For example, zero conditional. If you sit in the sun, you get burned. Here we are talking about every time a person sits in the sun, he or she feels burning, which is a natural consequence. But first conditional, if you sit in the sun, you get burned. Here we are talking about what will happen now or today, another day, maybe different result. Zero conditional first conditional kan garaagarummaa isaanii qaban first conditional particular situation wanta tokko qofa yookiin waan yeroo sana ta'e dubbachuuf kan fayyadamnu yoo ta'u, zero conditional immoo wanta generaal ta'e yookiin waliigalatti ta'uu danda'u tokko kan haasofnu jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf if you sit in the sun, aduu keessa gaafa teechee you get burned, sitti ho'iti yookiin immoo si gubdi jedha. Here we are talking about every time. Yeroo kamiyyuu aduu keessa gaafa teessee amala uumamaan qaamni namaa aduu gaafa keessa teenye nutti ho'uu argisiisa jechuudha. Dhima lammaffaa ilaalle immoo if you sit in the sun you will get burned. Here amma immoo kan galgala immoo aduun hin jirtu ta'a. Borummoo duumessa ta'uu danda'a. Kana garaagarummaan zero conditional first conditional isa kana jechuudha. Garaagarummaa biraa hin qaban. Fakkeenyaaf zero conditional jalatti percentage tense yookiin hin na'amne fayyadama. First conditional jalatti immoo raawwima gara fuulduraatti ta'u yookiin fuucharii fayyadama. Sababni isaas waa'ee koondishinii ammaati kan nuti haasa'aa jirru jechuudha. Hiikaa first conditional fi fakkeenyota isaa yeroo itti aanu bal'inaan kan ilaallu ta'a. Subscribe, like, comment fi share gochuun hin dagatina.